The spirit of the Red Boat mainly includes three parts: pioneering, creation of a new path and bold exploration, persistence, firm convictions and pursuit of the ideal, commitment, devotion and loyalty in service of the people. I sincerely hope that today's journey to the Red Boat will help you to understand the connotation of the Red Boat spirit. At the beginning of August 1921, the first National Congress of the CPC was transferred from Shanghai to Jiaxing, Zhejiang province, and ended successfully on a cruise ship on the South Lake. Now all we see is a memorial boat which was imitated according to historical materials. It is moored at the southeast bank of Misty Rain Pavilion in the Huxing Island. With its bow to the east, facing the rising sun, it vividly shows the historical scene of the birth of the Communist Party of China to the world. A big party is born in a small boat. Since then, the CPC has led the revolutionary ship, chopping waves and breaking new grounds, making the Chinese Revolution take on a new look. The Huxing Island also has a lot of delicate souvenirs about Red Boat for tourists to buy. The life of Chinese people is dangerous and grueling. According to fact and figure, most families had the same clothes in winter and summer, and they had to suffer from hunger every day. In order to realize the great rejuvenation of Chinese nation and seek the happy life of its people, countless people with lofty ideals rose up to seek the way to save the country and the people, to revitalize the Chinese nation and carry out many indomitable struggles. The revolution of 1911 overthrew the system of monarchy that had ruled for China for thousands of years and opened the floodgate of Chinese progress. However, in 1921, as the Chinese people and the Chinese nation was undergoing a great awakening, and Marxism-Leninism was becoming closely integrated with the Chinese workers' movement, the Communist Party of China was born in a small red boat. The founding of the Communist Party of China brings vigor and vitality to Chinese land as well as Chinese people. Under the leadership of the Communist Party of China, Chinese people has achieved great success in socialist revolution and construction. Under the influence of the Red Spirit, Chinese people has achieved great success in national unity and rejuvenation. The red boat cleaves waves and its spirit attracts people. What the red boat represents and reveals at the height of the times, the direction of development, and the light of progress, establishing a spiritual monument in the heart of Chinese people, which will never fade. Over the past 100 years, the Red Boat spirit has always been inspiring and encouraging the Communist Party of China to stand on the height of history, walking the forefront of times, Be the courageous helmsman and lead the cause, constantly achieving one victory after another in revolution, construction, and reform. History and experiences have time and again proved that Chinese people rise through hardships and adversity, and then over all difficulties and dangers with an indomitable spirit. In the new era, our young people should make our mission to contribute to family harmony, social welfare, and national prosperity, so that we can live up to the expectations of our times, our party, and our people. There is no chance we can rest. We must do our best. To fulfill the founding aspiration of the CPC and shadow the great mission, the Red Boat will continue to ride the waves.